Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I do this middle part messy bun. So this video was requested by so many of you, and this is my everyday messy bun, and this looks so cute and it is very easy to create. You guys can create this bun in just 5 minutes. But before we get into the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, follow me on Instagram as well and hit the notification bell for every new video update. So yeah guys, let's get started. So I'm gonna start by taking out few hair strands from the front. Next I'm gonna grab all my hair from the sideways and I'm going to secure it into a high ponytail. In that way I do not disturb the middle part, as it has to be the middle part messy bun. Then with the help of elastic band I'm gonna secure my high ponytail. Once your hair is gathered up in your high ponytail, twist your hair strands towards the end. Then wrap this long twist hair around the base of your ponytail to form your high bun. Next, to keep my bun in place, I'm going to secure it with the help of hair tie. You guys can also use bobby pins. I didn't use bobby pins here since my bun is already in place. Then I'm going to take out few hair strands from the side as well. Next I'm going to pull out few hair from my bun to make it more messy. Again, do not disturb the middle part, as this is the most important point to create this middle part messy bun. So yeah guys, this is how I do my middle part easy everyday messy bun. And yeah guys, this took me only 5 minutes to create this super easy everyday messy bun. And I definitely know that this hairstyle is going to look super cute and beautiful on you guys as well. So if you create this hairstyle, do let me know in the comment section below as well. And if you guys find this video helpful and useful, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Again, subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and do not forget to hit the notification bell for every new video update. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram as well. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and be safe.